Hi, my name's Jenny and I am doing an unboxing of the Mina Baie Emmy Mini, and this is in their color Martín, which is the newest color that was just released. I ordered this Wednesday and today is Sunday, so definitely an advantage living close to LA. So here it goes. So this one is their mini version of the Emmy. So the Emmy comes in a full size, a midi size, and now a mini. The other ones do come in leather and nylon and vegan leather, but the Emmy mini so far right now is just the nylon, and it comes in black as well with gold hardware, black with gunmetal hardware, and then the Martín. So I've only seen this, you know, on their website during their lives. I'm a little bit excited. Okay, so obviously their packaging is always nice, and it comes with a dust bag. I just feel like this green is perfect for fall, and it's so cute. Like, it's kind of like a camel green. Okay, so this measures 9 by 11 by 6 and weighs about 1.38 pounds, so it's really light. You can see this has the leather grab handles. Oh, I can't really take off, and I'm not gonna try to. And then the leather straps. I haven't had any issues with wear on this one as of yet, but I know like on their other bags, like their mini Harper, the mini Kinney, it did have issues where these were cracking, but I haven't had issues so far. I don't know if it's because I'm not very rough with my bags or because I keep them conditioned. It could be also another reason why they haven't cracked like I've seen with other used bags. Okay, so I do have my midi Emmy, and it's in Dune. Let's see the size difference. I mean, it's definitely a lot bigger. I normally use my midi Emmy for like longer days out with my girls. Even though they don't wear diapers, I tend to pack stuff for them anyways, and it's perfect because it does fit sweaters if needed. All right, so as you can see, gold hardware mimics, definitely is an exact replica of the midi Emmy. So front pocket, which is magnetized, and then there's 2 side pockets. We'll see if that can fit any water bottles when I do a packing video. And then D-rings for shoulder carry, the double zipper, which I think all bags should have, and then the D-rings in the back for the backpack option. And inside is all the straps you'll be needing. So the 2 backpack straps, and then the shoulder strap. And then this is the reason I cannot go back to regular bags. I mean, I still have, like, you know, my Kate Spade, my Michael Kors, but they don't have internal organization like these bags do. And, you know, the light colored lining and the, well, which is supposed to be washable, which with Mina Baie it is. And then it has all these pockets. So, let's see. So 2 elastic pockets in the back, 2 elastic pockets in the front, and then 2 elastic pockets on the side. And you can see this has a big pocket, and then it has that small zipper pocket, and the pocket that's not elastic either, but you know, still carries quite a bit. This actually goes pretty deep. And their key fob, which I don't use, but I'm gonna start using because it's there. I just don't use my keys in it because, like I said in my other videos, I have a key that attaches to D-rings. Well, watch out for my next video, as I'll do a packing video, and maybe I'll do another one with comparison. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.